Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Word 2016 or later and loading any fonts you need. This prevents layout shifts. Once done, import your logo PNG and note exact color hex codes so fills match. Next, set the page size, A4 or 8, 5x11, and margins to your spec. Create and name core paragraph styles for heading, body, and caption. These drive consistent formatting across the document. Make sure to save this as a .x template so you can reuse the structure. You now arrange the core layout using the ruler and grid guides to align elements precisely. Set gutters at 1/2" or 10 mm columns depending on print needs. Insert images and anchor them to paragraphs, selecting wrap options like square or tight so text flows naturally. Compress images to balance quality and file size. Use tables or text boxes to enforce multi-column content, and then apply your predefined styles to each block. This keeps spacing consistent, and you finish by running accessibility and spelling checks and adding alt text to images so the document is usable by everyone. Next, export to PDF/X or a high-quality PDF and make sure to embed fonts if the printer needs them. Print a test page or view in a PDF reader to confirm visual fidelity. If the layout breaks or styles look off, clear direct formatting from affected paragraphs and reapply the template styles. That usually restores consistent spacing and font behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.